Begin this movement in a tabletop position with knees directly beneath the hips, toes flexed towards the knee, and hands directly beneath the shoulders. Actively brace the center of the body by squeezing the abdomen to stabilize the core. You will then extend opposite arm and opposite leg at the same time. Keep the toe flexed towards the knee as you extend the heel until it's even with the hip and the hand until even with the shoulder. The goal is to hold the body as still as possible as you lose these 2 points of contact. Keep the core tight and the back from arching.